Hi, my name is Steff Reed. I am from El Dorado, Kansas. First off, excuse my facial expressions. I have just recently suffered a Bell's palsy stroke, so I'm not speaking very clearly. But Sarah's videos have helped me with my recovering process. It helps me to relax and not think about my my health right now, and just relax and help me to heal. I learned about Tenderfoot Villages through Facebook group, learning how to make gnomes. I met Sarah a year ago with her very first video on how to make a sock gnome, and from there we've learned a lot. I've learned a lot from her. This group, I just love it. They're all friendly and courteous, and if I have a question or a problem, everybody's willing to help. Everybody's willing to share their ideas. If they find something neat, they're willing to share where they got it from. If Sarah finds something cool, she's willing to share or even offer to get to pick it up for us. Her patterns I just love. They're easy to understand. She plans things in human terms where everybody can understand her. This group is just awesome. My favorite thing to learn is when I'm making gnomes is the noses. The noses just bring them to life when I get them all finished. I've learned so much from Sarah. She's just an amazing, creative woman. I'm looking forward to learning many more videos, watching many more videos from her, and learning a whole lot more stuff. I recommend this video to anybody who's wanting to learn how to make gnomes or just to get into crafting with other things. Sarah's just an awesome, amazing woman, and everything I learned to make gnomes, I've learned from her. So, Sarah, you're an awesome lady, and I thank you for teaching me everything I need to know about gnomes. Thanks.